Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete your Netflix account. So, today we are deleting the Netflix account via PC. So, if you're unable to use a Netflix mobile app and you wish to have your Netflix account deleted, then you'll have to follow this process. So, let's get started. Firstly, visit netflix.com on a web browser and log into your account. And once you are logged in, simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner. You can see a profile icon available there, and a drop down menu will appear after you tap on it and select account from it. Then simply click on the membership option available from the left side and scroll down till you see the cancel membership button available there. Confirm your cancellation by clicking the finish cancellation button after this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.